give the special all-time favorite love team title to my best friend Richard Gomez and Don Zulueta.
Presenting the trophy from the Guillermo Foundation is Congressman Jojo Mendoza and Mrs. Pioli Mendoza.
Maraming pong salamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation. Goman, can you believe? Can you believe ito?
I'm actually amazed. Maraming salamat to our fans who's been supporting us through the years for over 20 years of Love Team.
Yes. Ang last time po ata na nakatanggap ako ng Guillermo Award was nearly 20 years ago. And pangalawang beses ko pa lamang to sa entablado ninyo. Kaya maraming pong salamat sa karangalang ito. And thank you, Richard.
Thank you so much.
Thank you because you are the better half of this team.
Yeah. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, we also would like to thank, of course, our spouses who's been very supportive. Anton and Lucy, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Lucy. Thank you, Anton. And thank you, Chardon!
More awards and more stars when the Box Office Entertainment Awards continue.